That's right. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Temu unboxing. So this time I decided to redo what I did in my last video. I spent $50 and I'm just getting some outfits. I'm gonna see what I can create, how far my money goes, because we all know Temu is so inexpensive. Temu did send this to me, and I do have a coupon code that I believe will get you $100 worth of coupons in the app. So I'll put that up on the screen, and links to all of these products will be down in the description box down below. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, first thing I got is a pair of slippers. Now these got a little bit squished in the mail. I believe I got these in my true size 7, which I think is a 38-39. These are really cute. They're like a brown checker print. They're so soft. I have to say they're not like the most supportive. It's kind of hard to tell because they got so scrunched in the mail. I swear my mailman just like chucks the packages at me. So yeah, I mean, these are pretty cute. I'm excited about these. I've been needing some new slippers. I feel like I gotta refresh all the time, and these are super cute. Then I got this jumpsuit. I decided to get this in an extra large because I want it to be kind of oversized and baggy. I picked this brown color, which I have been obsessed with lately. It's definitely a different material than I thought. It's kind of just feels like a cotton polyester blend. But I really like this. At least in the picture, it looked super, super comfortable. Even if this is just something I wear around the house or running errands. It's very casual, just a kind of tank top. Like I said, did get an extra large, so it would be nice and big and baggy and oversized. So I'm excited to try it. This on. That's right. Okay. Material really threw me off here. So it's like a satin, but they put cardboard in here to keep it up, and it just felt really strange. I got this in a XXL so that it would be really baggy and cozy, and I don't actually think they had an extra large when I was looking. This is such a pretty color. It's definitely more of like a satin than silky. So I'm not totally sure how I'm gonna feel about this being on my skin. The inside is a slightly softer material. I think it might just be the back side of the fabric, but I really like how this looks. I thought this would be really fun for like some Thanksgiving PJs. These are a long sleeve button-up shirt and a long pant. They both have this white detail here at the end, and I thought this maroon color was really, really pretty. Did come in a ton of other colors, and I think they had a short sleeve and a shorts option as well. So lots of choices. Did come as a set too. Next up, we have this shirt. This is just a plain black long sleeve t-shirt. Nothing special about it. Not really sure why I picked this out. It's a pretty standard polyester material. Definitely on the see-through side, which is not my favorite. So we'll see how see-through it actually looks like on, but I mean, even with the double layer, you can still see through it a decent amount. So we're gonna see how this pans out. It's not uncomfortable though. Well, we'll see once it's on my body. The last thing I got is a sweatsuit set, and I decided to get it in this nude color. Little worried that it's like my exact skin tone. Can't talk today. But they're really soft, so I'm pretty hyped about this. These are so cozy on the inside. Okay, so they're definitely like a thick, comfortable, really, really warm set. It comes as a sweatpant jogger. Does look like it has pockets, so that is awesome. And then I got the matching hoodie, and this is what that looks like. I think this is super cute, but let's go ahead, try all of this on and see how they all turn out. Okay, so first I decided to try on this black shirt. I'm just wearing like a lounge cozy bra, so it doesn't really work super well with this. This shirt is kind of fitting me weird. It's really tight around here and the neck, and then the sleeves are tight here, but like really baggy around my wrist. I don't know if you can tell just how baggy and long they are. This is a medium, so I'm not too surprised that it's tight around here, but like it's really loose around the end. It just fits me very weirdly. I would say this is probably a good layering piece, and it looks nice. I feel like this is something you could get away with looking a lot fancier than it costs you, but I'm not sure how much I'll actually wear it because it's just not the most comfortable thing in the world. That being said, I don't notice how see-through it is. I'm wearing kind of like a dark brown bra and you can't see through it at all, even in direct light. So definitely better than I was anticipating. I don't hate it. I don't love it. Not horrible, but also not great. Okay, so I had to back the camera up just a little bit so you can actually see this brown jumpsuit. This looks so much like the Free People one. I'm really impressed. It's very comfortable. The material is not anything super special. Does have pockets here. I'm really glad that I sized up to a double XL or just to an XL. It's very low down here. You can still see just the brown bra that I'm wearing. And then the back has this nice kind of straight back line. I am very impressed with this. I think this is super comfortable. I feel like this will be something that I will wear year round. In the fall, I'll probably wear it with like a long sleeve shirt, maybe a denim jacket. And then as we go into the spring, I feel like I could pair it with like a fun pastel t-shirt underneath, like a fun little crop top. And then in the summer, I can just use this as a super comfortable, easy, breezy, beautiful jumpsuit with just like a fun bralette. I really like this, and I like this color too. This one's definitely a win for me. Here is that PJ set. It's a lot softer on than I thought it was gonna be, and I feel like it looks really luxurious. I'm wearing the super cozy slippers, and they're pretty comfortable. I feel like I probably should have sized up, just because they're a little bit short. They're like right on the end of my heel. So I would say probably want to size up in those. Very glad that I sized up twice on here. I'm remembering that the size chart, always look at the size charts, y'all. This is no exception. I'm very glad I went up to a double XL in here because otherwise these would be very tight on me, and they're super large, don't get me wrong. But once they're kind of sitting, they're just like the perfect amount of comfortable to where I don't feel like I'm bloated or anything. Realizing I did not button one of these buttons. But I really like this. I feel like it's very comfortable. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and I feel like something like this would be really cute to do for like family Christmas photos. My boyfriend's family does matching Christmas PJs every year, and these would be like a nice, fun, elevated version. Last year we got Pokemon ones though, and I'm not complaining because those are amazing, but these are really nice if you want something super elevated and classy, and they're honestly really comfortable. I was definitely a little bit worried when I was feeling them outside of the package, but once they're on, these are cozy, y'all. I'm a fan. Okay, lastly, I threw on this sweatsuit. I definitely have to say I'm regretting getting it in this color because it is my skin tone. Like looking in the viewfinder, I low-key feel like I'm looking at a large naked version of myself. So I'm not sure how much wear I'll get out of it because of the color, but it's so soft. I would definitely say I probably would have wanted to size up. These pants fit me exactly as they're supposed to, which is totally fine, but I feel like I'd be more comfortable if they were oversized, and I like the look of oversized sweats better. I feel like these are just a little bit short for me too. I have pretty long legs, so kind of a common occurrence, but I don't dislike them. The sweatshirt is so cozy and so soft. I really, really like this, y'all. I mean, honestly, just for the sweatshirt alone, I'm a big fan. Oh, I'm noticing that even though it looks like it's just one pocket across the front, it's actually two separate ones. So that's kind of interesting. Haven't really experienced that on a hoodie before, but I don't dislike it. Just something to make note of. I think this is pretty cute. I'm interested to see what other colors it comes in. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I do really like this one. Just maybe not on my skin tone. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. All right, so that was everything in today's Temu haul. Look at myself in the viewfinder, and this color does not look great with my skin tone for sure. That being said, it's very comfortable, and I'm probably gonna wear it for the rest of the day anyways. I would love to know what you think. What was your favorite piece? Did you like any of them? Did you hate any of them? Give me all your feedback down below. I think this is a pretty successful haul. That black shirt is really the only thing that I didn't like, and it was still decent. My favorite thing is gonna be that brown jumpsuit. I'm really impressed with it. I feel like it fits very nicely. It's super, super comfortable. and I love that deep chocolate brown color. I think it's so stunning. I'm interested to hear what y'all think, so let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and use my link and code to get yourself $100 worth of coupons. And if you are interested in any of the pieces, all those links will be down below. Thank you so much again to Temu for sending me this, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!